Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review Bitform, which is a lightweight yet powerful WordPress form builder packed with features like drag and drop design, multi-step forms, advanced calculations and over 50 integrations. It supports responsive design, conditional logic, custom styling and digital signatures. Ideal for creating complex forms quickly, it offers flexibility without compromising performance. Now let us get started. To get started, download the plugin in your WordPress account and then you are good to go. So this is the central dashboard of Bitform. The UI is simple and user friendly. You can see the create first form button, and upon clicking on the first form button, you have options to either start from blank or choose a template. You have different templates available like contact form, sign up contact form, login form, newsletter, sign up form, GDPR form, booking, meeting room registration, and job application for multi-step form, grade book form, grade academic advisory form, and feedback form, and two types of payment form, and also authorization forms are available. The forms are available in the different topics like booking, business operations, education, feedback, payment, and WP authorization. You can choose any template you want, or either you can start from scratch. For and also you have options to import a particular form. Just click on the import form and you can import form. Let us take a demo. You have two options: either you can use the form or take a demo, see demo. Let us see this demo of this contact form. Click on the see demo button to see the demo of the form. So this is how the contact form will look like. It has got the name, email, and message, and the submit button. And you can see also the different types of forms also which you can use in the templates. Now let us use this template. Just click on the form you want and click on the use template button to use this form. Then the form builder opens up. You have got different options in the form builder. You can build the form and edit the form. You have different options in the left side window like multi-line text, email, number, radio button, checkbox, drop down, file upload, advanced file upload, country, currency, phone number, username, password, slider, date, time, week, month, URL, color picker, GDPR agreement, reCAPTCHA, turnstile, captcha, repeater, rating, image selector, hidden, PayPal, Stripe for payments, short code button, draft button, next step, section, image, HTML, and different options you have available for the form. You can just click, drag, and drop them. You can take a preview by just clicking on the preview. So this is how our form will look like. And then you can also publish this form by clicking on the publish button. And as you can see, the form is published, and you can update any edits at any time by just clicking on the update button. This form is published, so you can use it now and you can fill and see the data. And in the central dashboard you will see a new form because you have published one form. You can see the name of form, short code, views, and completion rate. In the options you can see edit form, entries, export, confirmation, confidential, logic, data table, integrations, and you can delete the form by using the delete button. Let us check entries by clicking on the entries button. And the status is active. You can just make it inactive by clicking the slider button. So let us at first make one entry in the form. Just in the preview, I am going to write one email address and one message, and then I will click the submit button. And it says you have to enter a valid email. So I will enter a valid email, then I will click the submit button, and the form will be submitted, which will be displayed in the entries. And you can see this form is being hosted in the uh, sub web page Bitform view and sub web page 1. So now let us take a preview at the entries. You can see the completion rate is 0.01% and views is 0. It will be updated since we have done one entries. And in the entries you can see one entry has been made, which we just made by ourselves. Any user can make entries and you can see all the data. You can view the data by clicking on the data view, and you have different views and edit access. You can prevent public view of entries and allow users to edit form entries. You can just click the slider button to see this, and you can just create first view by clicking on the first view. You can update the settings anytime you want. And in the entries you have also options to view analytics report. Just click on the analytics report to see the view analytics report. So this is the analytics of the form. It shows one submission. You can print the report, and these are the entry status read write, and the report is same like the bar graph displayed over here. You can just print the report anytime you want from here only. Now let us take a look at these form templates. You can see different templates available here, or you can import form templates and you can use the templates anytime you want. So now let us take create a form from starting from blank. So just click on the create form button, and in the blank click on the use template, and then interface for creating the form will open up. We have to add different items like first name, last name. I am going to make an employment application form in which the users detail like name, address, contact number, date of birth, the position they are applying, their phone number, their email address will be entered. And I am just selecting all the items here. I have selected number, and then I will go to select radio button. In the radio button, I will just choose the gender of the person. But at first, I will select checkbox. In the checkbox, I will just select the position you are for which you are applying for, and upon clicking the checkbox is available here, and you can change the names of the checkbox. Like I want to change this checkbox to position you are applying for post, so I'll write the post. And to change the name of the options, just click on the option and edit button, and then you can edit the name of the options. I have three options here, either accountant or assistant or CEO. These are the three posts used for which you can apply through this employment application form. Then I am just putting a radio button to select the gender. Just click on the radio button, and then upon clicking on the radio button, you will can change the name of the radio button. Just I'm changing this to gender, and I'm going to the options edit button, and upon the edit, I will change the male, female, or the third option for gender will be others. And then you have this country icon. You can select this country to select the country of the person. And then you have currency. Since currency is not required for this employment application form, so I'm going to delete this currency. And you have phone number, username, and password. If you want to add the details of the person, then you can get this phone number. In the employment application form, I am going to need the phone number, so I'm adding the phone number. And then I'm just putting this date for the date of birth of the user. uh, I'm going to change the name of pick a date to date of birth. Similarly, you have different buttons like submit button, and if I want to add reset button, then I will just click on the button, and one button is added here. I am just going to change the name of button by clicking on the button, and I will change the name to reset button. And after everything is completed, everything is fully editable, and the size can be also changed, and the orientation can also be changed. It is just simple drag drop. Just like switching the windows, you can minimize the size of a particular icon, change the location, just drag and drop here, and you can make this form more beautiful and more aesthetic. I am also going to do the same thing and make this form more beautiful and more aesthetic, and make sure that the form looks minimalistic with lots of icon and eye-catchy design. So this is the final layout of the form I have created, and I have made it from scratch. You can see the design is quite simple, and all the things are placed here. A lot of things are placed, but in uh, a small space, and it looks quite good. You can just click on the publish button to publish and update this form, and you can fill this form, and you can check the entries also. In the app settings, you have the settings related to the app. You have different apps like payment integration, Google Ad, SMP, PDF, CPT, API, and general. In the document support, you can see all the documentation and support. Let us take a look at these settings like integrations. In integrations, you have different applications available for integration. You have more than 50 softwares for integrations like Active Campaign, HubSpot, IFTT, Integrately, Pably, Zoho, Zoho Marketing, and different applications for integrations. In SMTP, you can see you can enable SMPT or no, and you can save the changes. In the PDF, you can change the PDF paper size, orientation, font family, and font size and watermark also. In CPT, you can just change the settings for public curable, so in the REST API and so in menu. And in the API settings, you get the power of API, but you get API key and you can just generate a new API key and you get all the power of API to use it. In the general setting, you can delete the data and do the generate token after page, and you can just change these settings anytime you want. Now let us take a look at the pricing plan of Bitform. Bitform offers a feature-rich and budget-friendly form builder with flexible pricing plans tailored for individual professionals and agencies. The starter plan priced at $29.25 per year, originally $39, supports one sites, include unlimited conditional logic, and offers 1 year updates and supports. The plus plan priced at $69 per year, discounted from 92, supports 5 sites and includes the same core features. For larger teams, the agency plan is available at $99 per year, which was actually $132, supporting unlimited sites. All plans come with a 14-day money back guarantee and a 25% renewal discount. Thank you very much for watching this video.